everyone, how y'all doing? Tsahi here. Welcome back to my channel with another wig review. This one is coming from Outre and it's the Divine. Very sensual, very sexy hair, if I might say so myself. I was hesitant because I wasn't sure I like the style, but when I think about it, I don't have a side part unit in this length and I really wanted to try a different color. I didn't get the color I wanted, but ginger mahogany kind of works for me for now. So this is a stock card. This is what Madam looks like. Very pretty girl. I'll just jump right into the install. I had a bit of trouble because I realized that the cap was big for my head, which is good for you guys who need a little bigger size fit. I had a lot of cutting to do to get it to adhere to my shape, and I have my hair kind of comes forward into my forehead, so to get it to customize to me, I had to cut away a few, so this is additional from the hairline that I cut off. It's okay to do that. Remember, you're customizing it to fit your head. The pros, it was easy-ish. I will say it is beginner friendly. You just have to really take your time when you're cutting it away and stuff. The color is pretty as hell. The style is gorgeous. Even though I didn't get the little swoop that the model has, I didn't get that little swoop action. I could still work with it, and I think once I use some free spray, I could probably get it to behave. You'll will be hearing my fan. The place is hot and I really can't record in this heat, sorry, so you'll probably be hearing my fan in the background. Apologize enough for that. The lace is really nice, really nice. Let me make sure you could see that. Yep, this is my second attempt at melting the lace. Jeez, I need water. So this is kind of what it looks like with a little extra effort from when I first applied it, and I'm happy with how it turned out. You know, I paid $34.99 for it. Yes, it's $34.99 on Elevate Styles. Not a bad price. It's a nice length. It's sexy hair. You could wear this. I would wear this for a more formal dressy event. I wouldn't wear this for a casual day out. It's too pretty, and pretty is not the word. It's a little too fancy for just everyday wear. This is definitely an event type, look. The cons. My opinion, I do not know if anybody else found so, but I found it had a little doll-like feel to it. It reminded me of doll hair. When I was brushing through it, it even had a doll smell. So it really reminded me of Barbie doll hair. Tangling, yes, and it's not hair you could just run your fingers through. You have to really take your time and go through. It's not silky, which I don't have a problem with, right? It's not silky hair, even though it looks like that. It's more on the yuckier texture. Any more cons? I honestly, this is one of the better units that I've gotten from Outre. It would be the first melted hairline unit that I picked up, and she comes in a lot of beautiful colors. All of them are highlighted, beautifully colored in my opinion. Anyway, I don't want to go ramble I would say the shedding only took place after I cut the lace and after I cut out the additional hair. And yes, because my fan wanted blowing the hair in my face, so flyaways could be easily tamed with some wax, a wax stick. I didn't do that today because I didn't think it was necessary. I'm indoors, and even though it's hot, it's not really windy, but if you're going out there, definitely have your wax stick on hand and have your brush at hand, because another con I find, the curls, I don't like when the curls get kind of separated. I think I have to keep brushing it so it'll stay, you know, nice and uniformed like this. It gets very out of hand quickly. I don't know how else to explain it. And one of the, as I said, you see that it's not giving me swoop action and it keeps falling in my face. And yeah, that's basically it about this hairstyle. I don't think I missed anything out. Once I adjusted the straps and really took my time and glued her down, she's nice and secure. I did use the band at the back. Yes, the pre-attached elastic band, I did use it for extra hold, and it works for me. I know a lot of people complain that it's not, you know, it's not firm enough and they don't bother to use it, but I did. And the baby hairs, it did come with baby hair, but I didn't use it. I didn't lay down baby hair today. I doesn't always be in any mood to do that. My daughter is up. Here she comes. So I'll say goodbye now. Thank you so much for joining me again. Don't forget to subscribe if you wish. Visit anytime you want. You're all welcome. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.